upper 60s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, clear. Lows around 40. Northeast winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Lows in the mid-40s. Southeast winds up to 10 miles an hour. Friday, warmer, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Saturday night through Monday, clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Highs in the mid-80s. Monday night and Tuesday, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. Highs in the mid-80s. Again, the forecast for central Minnesota, from St. Cloud to the northwest Twin Cities suburbs for this afternoon, sunny. Near steady temperature in the upper 60s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Now the forecast for central Minnesota, from St. Cloud to the northwest Twin Cities suburbs. This afternoon, sunny. Near steady temperature in the The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 NOAA weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming. Now the forecast for central Minnesota, from St. Cloud to the northwest Twin Cities suburbs.